what sucks up everything near it, then it's invisible. A black hole. Black holes are very mysterious since they are invisible, yet have a humongous gravitational pull that nothing can escape it, even light. So in this iMovie, you will learn about what are black holes, how are they important, how is the technology to study them improved, what might happen if you went to one, and a few fun facts. A black hole is a region in the universe that is so dense that nothing can escape its gravitational pull. Black holes have an event horizon in which anything that enters it will get sucked up. Black holes are formed by huge amounts of pressure, such as a star at least 3 times as large as the sun collapsing on itself. Stars collapse because they need fuel to burn, just like fire because they're basically huge fireballs, and the fuel counters the push of gravity against it. When the fuel runs out on a large star, the gravity pushes on it so much that it forms a black hole. Or black holes can form when dust, gas, and all sorts of other rocks collapse on it and form a black hole. Those types of black holes are bigger than the other types. The last way we know is when 2 stars smash into each other. A long time ago, people thought black holes were fantasy, but then Albert Einstein made a theory about black holes, and NASA saw huge stars orbiting around what seemed like empty space and proved the existence of black holes. They used huge telescopes that were made just for looking into the depths of space. Black holes are important because it seems impossible for one to exist. So, the scientists who study them have to work really hard to find new details about them and just new black holes. Also, it could destroy entire solar systems in just a few seconds. Or maybe it could become space's giant trash can. Some weird things would happen inside a black hole, but since nothing from Earth has ever went to one, and even if something did, it wouldn't be able to get out and we wouldn't be able to receive any images from it, we don't know. For sure though, anything that went inside one would be ripped into individual atoms. What happens beyond that is still a mystery. Along with Albert Einstein's theory for black holes was his theory for gravity and space-time. But space is. Imagine space-time as a trampoline. If you put a huge ball on it, it will make a hole in space-time. When you put a pebble next to it, it rolls to the ball. A black hole bends space-time so much that it rips it that nothing can get out. Some people say that you would fall into a parallel universe. Did you know a black hole only lives for 1 year, then gives its density to the nearest star? Also, black holes can suck up a star in 13.2 seconds. Lastly, if a black hole the size of the sun was in the place of the sun and the sun was gone, Earth wouldn't get sucked in. Here is my bibliography. It lists all the sites and books that I used for my resources and pictures. That's the end of this iMovie. I hope you learned something.